Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Cerebral Wisdom. Today we've got something truly electrifying to share with you. Brace yourselves as we dive into the world of automotive innovation, power, and technology. Ladies and gentlemen, feast your eyes on the 8th generation G60 BMW 5 Series. It's not just a car, it's a statement of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge features. And guess what? It's got a brand new electric variant that's here to redefine the way we experience driving. Introducing the all-electric BMW i5. Available in rear-wheel drive iDrive 40 and all-wheel drive M60 xDrive variations. This beauty boasts an impressive 335 horsepower with a rear-mounted electric drive unit. Torque, you ask? A whopping 295 lb-ft. But hold on tight, because the Sport Boost function can take it up to 317 lb-ft for those adrenaline-pumping moments. From 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.7 seconds. And that's not all. Engage the launch control, and you'll tap into a temporary reserve of extra torque for an even more thrilling experience. Top speed? A cool 120 miles per hour. But if you're hungry for more power, the i5-m60 xDrive has got you covered. With a rear motor packing 335 horsepower and an additional 257 horsepower on the front axle, this beast produces a jaw-dropping total torque output of 549 lb-ft. Activate the temporary boost function, and you'll unleash a staggering 605 lb-ft from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 3.7 seconds, reaching a top speed of 143 miles per hour on summer tires. Now, let's talk tech. The 2024 BMW 5 Series comes loaded with BMW's newest iDrive system, version 8.5, with a persistent map view and intuitive buttons. You'll have seamless access to navigation, media, communication, and even Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And here's where it gets exciting, BMW's Highway Assistant now functions hands-free. Inspired by GM's Super Cruise, it monitors your attention using eye tracking, making lane changes a breeze with just a glance at the corresponding mirror. But that's not all. The i5-m60 xDrive offers optional active roll stabilization, providing ultimate control over the ride and handling balance. Say goodbye to body roll, thanks to the electric motor-equipped anti-roll bars that enhance stability without compromising comfort. Now, let's talk range. The all-electric iDrive 40 and M60 xDrive offer an impressive range of 295 miles and 256 miles on the EPA cycle, respectively. And for those moments when range anxiety creeps in, fear not. Both i5 variants feature a max range mode, prioritizing efficiency by adjusting various settings. And speaking of charging, these models support 205 kilowatts fast charging, going from 10 to 80% in just 30 minutes. But wait, there's more. During those quick charging sessions, you won't be bored. BMW's Air Console software lets you enjoy casual games right on your infotainment screen. Use your phone as a controller and dive into titles like Go Kart Go, Galazzo, Music Guess, and Overcooked. Who said charging had to be dull? So, when can you get your hands on this electrifying marvel? The G60 BMW 5 Series is set to hit global markets in October 2023. And remember, the future is bright as BMW plans to unveil an M5 and a plug-in hybrid in the near future. But that's not all the excitement. The 2023 BMW 5 Series is making waves with its new design and technology. This executive saloon is a perfect blend of luxury and performance, offering both petrol and pure electric options. Take a look at the design of the new 8th generation BMW 5 Series. It's a harmonious fusion of BMW's classic design language with modern elements. The iconic kidney grilles are more restrained, and there's no split headlight treatment. The rear features conventional horizontal light clusters for a timeless appeal. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a spacious and luxurious cabin. The double-screen layout on the dash is a treat for tech enthusiasts. The driver's display is housed in a 12.3-inch screen, complemented by a larger 14.9-inch infotainment touchscreen at the center of the fascia. BMW's interaction bar makes adjusting settings a breeze. Under the hood, the powertrain lineup offers a single traditional petrol variant at launch, the 520i xDrive. This rear-drive model features a 2.0-liter four-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine with 48-volt mild hybrid assistance, delivering 205 brake horsepower and 330 Nm of torque. It sprints from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 7.5 seconds, combining performance with efficiency. Host Udima, when it comes to trim levels, the Sport is the one to watch. It offers a host of features, including 18-inch alloy wheels, ambient lighting, sports seats, and much more. The available Comfort Pack, Tech Pack, and other options let you tailor your 5 Series to your preferences. And if you're a fan of estate models, you're in luck. The Touring Estate model will be joining the lineup, including pure electric i5 Touring versions. The BMW 5 Series is truly evolving to meet the demands of today's discerning drivers. So, what's in store for the next generation 5 Series? With its bold redesign, familiar powertrains, and exciting variants like the all-electric i5 and the performance-driven M5, this sedan is ready to make a grand entrance. Keep your eyes peeled for its arrival before the end of 2023. From its sleek exterior to its luxurious interior, the new 5 Series is poised to deliver a driving experience that's both exhilarating and refined. Whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating city streets, the advanced technology and safety features ensure you're always in control. Stay tuned as we explore every aspect of this impressive machine, setting new standards for the modern luxury sedan. Don't miss out on the future of driving, the 2024 BMW 5 Series. Before we wrap up, let's dive into the heart of the matter, the power, the performance, and what sets this new 5 Series apart from the rest. The 2024 5 Series has undergone a ground-up redesign, and it's all about pushing boundaries and delivering an unforgettable driving experience. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a cabin that exudes sophistication and comfort. The 5 Series offers a range of trim levels, each tailored to suit your preferences. From ambient lighting to ventilated front seats, the 5 Series pampers you on every journey. The optional luxury seating package takes relaxation to the next level with heated, ventilated, and even massaging front seats. Tech enthusiasts, rejoice! The 5 Series features BMW's iDrive 8.5 interface, housed within a sleek and intuitive double-screen layout. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Harman/Kardon stereo system come standard, ensuring your entertainment needs are met. Safety is paramount, with standard automated emergency braking, lane departure warning, and available adaptive cruise control with hands-free driving. And for peace of mind, BMW's warranty and maintenance coverage has got you covered, with a limited warranty of 4 years or 50,000 miles, and complimentary scheduled maintenance for 3 years or 36,000 miles. You can embark on your journeys with confidence. So, what's in store for the next generation 5 Series? With its bold redesign, familiar powertrains, and exciting variants like the all-electric i5 and the performance-driven M5, this sedan is ready to make a grand entrance. Keep your eyes peeled for its arrival before the end of 2023. From its sleek exterior to its luxurious interior, the new 5 Series is poised to deliver a driving experience that's both exhilarating and refined. Whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating city streets, the advanced technology and safety features ensure you're always in control. Stay tuned as we explore every aspect of this impressive machine, setting new standards for the modern luxury sedan. Don't miss out on the future of driving, the 2024 BMW 5 Series. There you have it, the incredible journey of the 2024 BMW 5 Series and its electrifying variants. From the exhilarating i5 to the performance-driven M5, this lineup embodies BMW's commitment to innovation, luxury, and driving pleasure. Stay tuned for more updates as we embark on new adventures together. Until next time, signing off from Cerebral Wisdom. Drive safe and keep the passion alive. There you have it, the incredible journey of the 2024 BMW 5 Series and its electrifying variants. From the exhilarating i5 to the performance-driven M5, this lineup embodies BMW's commitment to innovation, luxury, and driving pleasure. Stay tuned for more updates as we embark on new adventures together. Until next time, signing off from Cerebral Wisdom. Drive safe and keep the passion alive. Goodbye.